So along the course of this video, I mean the video that will pop up in the next few minutes, along the course of the video, I talked about some criteria for success, or let's say some tips for success. For you to be able to navigate this beautiful platform. I'm going to be exposing the platform, like I said before, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money using this platform. Now, the first criteria you have to consider is you have to have some sort of expertise. Now, the platform is very simple and easy to use, easy to navigate. It's not a very difficult platform, all right? It is something you can actually find your way around. So you have to have some sort of expertise, right? Some sort of knowledge in a particular field to be able to help somebody that needs helps with his or assignment, or probably questions. So if you're the kind of person that you're really good with you're really good with a particular subject, probably humanities or history or religion maybe, and you can help somebody, you can actually do this. You just have to be an expert in that particular field. You have to position yourself as an authority to be able to do well in this particular platform. And I think that's the more reason why there's an application process, and this application process might seem a bit tedious, but I feel it's very necessary. Any platform that you just sign up to, even any grants that you just, it's not really, if it's not rigorous, you are not there yet. But I feel it's very necessary to guarantee probably a quality service for both teachers and students. So to apply, you have to be a bit, just focus on the questions, and and then secondly, when you're submitting content on this platform, make sure it's going to be really, really helpful. Now, if you're bringing up a content that is not going to be helpful to anybody, or for anybody, or to be answering anybody, then this platform is not for you. All right, you might want to reconsider. You can actually submit content that are very much helpful to people, and again, they accept original content, valuable content. So if you are the kind of person that you want to plagiarize, you might want to have a rethink. They want to accept something that came from your head, right? Just make sure your content is original and from you. Yes, I know you must have gathered enough evidence to make that research or do that particular thing, but as long as from you, it's fine and good. So the next video you'll be seeing is the practical video on how you can use this website. So please stick with me till the end of this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hey there, today we are delving into the world of making money by just answering simple homework questions and uploading documents. Now, the documents I'm talking about, you have like your 10 paper works. You probably need to research on a particular, just a short-term research on a particular stuff, and you feel like, okay, I want to put this out there. It's probably occupying space on your phone, or probably your project work from your university days, and you still have them in your PDF. You can actually bring them together and upload and make money on this wonderful platform. So I'm going to be sharing with you, so you have to stick with me as I expose this wonderful platform, and also teach you or guide you on how you can be able to navigate this platform. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type in StudyPool. StudyPool, that is the name of the platform. So you just click on it. Good. We have it has popped up already. We have StudyPool, https www.studypool.com. So we click on it and wait for it to load. Now, if you're going to be using your smartphone to do this, you're going to have to put your phone on desktop site. My phone is already on desktop site. Do you understand? You have to put your phone on desktop. So I don't know if you know how to do that, but I'm still going to show you how you can do that. Once you click on this three drop down button, you can see where you can turn your phone to a desktop site. It looks as if you're using a computer. All right, so let's just go through this wonderful platform. Let's see something. It says get help with study questions from verified tutor, or get access to over 30 million study documents from the note bank. StudyPool only works with the highest quality tutors. Our tutors are vetted for subject expertise and hold degrees such as bachelor, masters and PhD. Many of our tutors are affiliated with top tier educational institutions. So we have future documents. We have, you can see, we have a 11-page document. We have a 3-page document, yes, as low as 2-page document right here, and we have study guides around here. So you can decide to sign up. Click on the sign up button, but I'm here to show you how you can actually, and before you're able to become a tutor here, answer questions to make money, you have to have some criteria. All right, I'll be listing that criteria for you so that you're not lost, right? So for us to become a tutor right here, we just have to click here, become a tutor. You can see it at the top, become a tutor. Wait for it to load. Good. It says you can earn up to 7,500 USD monthly working from home tutoring students. So if you're the kind of, this looks like something you want to do, you just click on apply now, or probably sign up before applying. That is how you can be able to, you can do any of those. Just apply here, apply. When you click on apply, let's click on apply and see what happens. It's going to ask you your email, username, password, or you can even sign up with your Facebook or your Google. I already have an account, so I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm just here to show you how you can do this. You click on apply. So it says why tutor on StudyPool, lowest service fees starting at 20%. StudyPool charges the lowest service fees in the market. We like to give our tutors what they earn. Make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. Choose when to work and where you want to work from. There's no boss, no office, and no quotas. Create your own schedule. We have recent questions. We have questions. Look at questions. We have recent questions right now. If they are private questions, they will not be visible. This is the amount for all of these. If you're good with them, probably you're good with imperfect tense, paragraphing especially, you earn $5 from doing this. We have management case studies, business, science, mathematics. This is religion. We have $20 for this, Islamic. So you can actually come here and make money, right? So we have the IS earners. We have Alamich and the rest of that. And again, you can see popular tutor countries: Canada, Malaysia, Pakistan, Ukraine, Zambia, India, Mexico, Philippines, United States, Indonesia, Nigeria. So that says that when you're in Nigeria, you can use this website. Even if you're in Nigeria, you know there are some websites whereby you have to already turn on your VPN. You don't need no VPN for this, so you can tutor even if you're in Nigeria. So this makes it worldwide. And the top tutoring subjects we have accounting, we have chemistry, we have law, we have programming, statistics, algebra, computer science, management, psychology, writing, business and finance. We have health and medicals. We have mathematics, we have sciences. So if you have knowledge in any of this field, you can actually tutor people. They are willing to, they ask questions. Like I said in the dashboard, they ask questions, and then you just need to explain the question. If your question works with the person asking the question, of course you get paid. All right. So now, how can you sell your documents? Now, if you have a document in your bag or your PDF, right, or you probably have notes, probably you studied law in your university days, and you have a note on probably civil law, or you have a note on contract law, or you have a note on criminal law, whatsoever kind of law. You have a particular fiction you have that you want to upload out there, you want others to see. You can actually put it in your PDFs, right, and upload it right here. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So you just come right here and click on sell doc. So we're waiting for it to load. Click on sell doc. Wow. So before you even apply for this, you see how it works. Upload documents, upload your, like I said before, you can upload your class notes. So if you're the kind of person that don't have class notes, I know most of when I go to university and I don't get class notes again. You should you can actually upload your class notes, right? These days I think everybody has become so digital that they use their notepad on their phone. So if you have that, you can actually convert it to your PDF and upload. You then get approved, you're viewed by students, and you earn money. So we have some top selling documents. We have Introduction to Terminology and Body Organization Study Guides. We have Algebra Integral, integration notes, medical, surgical, nursing notes. Here you can see now. So if you want a medical student and you can actually do something, maybe probably you can, some cadaver, I don't know, the terms and the rest of that, you can actually upload your note and make money. We have chemistry practice exam, V2 and answers. We have digestive system, creating a student budget guide, physics exam. Physics has to sell because a lot of persons battle with physics, healthcare and nursing. So we have the top earners there, and that is just it. So if you want to start selling your documents, all you need to do is come here, click on start selling documents now. And I already have an account, like I told you before. You click on put in your email, put in your username, your password, create an account, or you sign up with Google directly, or sign up with Facebook. Like I told you, I'm still going to be giving you criterias, all right, on how you can navigate this website. We have some criterias, all right. I'm going to be putting that right after this tutorial video. You're going to be seeing that, or okay, I'm going to put this at the beginning of this video rather. So the criteria, so that this is just a practical question. I'll do that later, but this is going to be at the beginning. So this is from the beginning of the video. You go back to the beginning of the video, you see some criteria to use this website. So as we come to the end of this wonderful video, remember that the world is full of questions. Yes, a lot of persons want to have questions. In fact, life is a place of questions. A lot of persons want to ask questions. They want to ask questions around money. They want to ask questions around business. They want to ask questions around life in general. Some even want to hear to ask questions about God. Yes, the life is filled with questions, and of course we want to hear people answer us. Just like Job, you can ask questions and God will just come and answer you. StudyPool offers you a very much unique opportunity to turn your knowledge into income. Turn your knowledge into income. This year you have to make money. You don't have an excuse. Like I said in my first video, you don't have an excuse not to make money this year. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights, and share with your fellow learners, those you know that they want to learn, they are eager to put out their knowledge out there. They want to teach people, and people that want to seek knowledge, people that want to ask questions and get answered and get paid. Yes, if you can pay, you ask a question, they will answer it for you. So thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. I love you so much. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe.